Imagine if you can magically, poof, appear on the top of the search result for your product on Amazon. Why is it important for you to even appear on top of the search result on the first slot? And how does Amazon select which seller needs to appear on top of the first page? I'm going to be answering all of these questions, but most importantly, I'm going to be showing you a two-step process to help you rank for your product's main keywords on the first page of Amazon's search results. So let's get started. Hello, and welcome again to the YouTube channel. For those of you who have never seen a video on our channel before, welcome. My name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. For those of you that are our loyal viewers, welcome back. As you might know, Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society are certified Amazon service providers, and we love working with sellers just like you and supporting them with anything related to Amazon on Amazon in the Middle East, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey. If you're facing difficulties and problems and need someone to fix these problems for you and to improve your ads, improve your listings, anything and everything related to Amazon, go ahead and reach out to our team and let's work with you. All you have to do is to visit our website, www.assmiddleeast.org, find out a little bit more about our programs, find the one that is suitable for you, and apply. And as always, if you are a viewer, you already know this, we always have a bonus, which is a downloadable PDF. I've created one specifically for this video. You'll find it linked in the description box of this video or in the comments section. I'll add a comment and I'll pin it. All you need to do is to log into the page, add your information and your email, and we'll send you a great PDF that contains all of the information that I'm talking about in this video. So why is it important to rank on the top of the first page for your main keywords? Well, if it wasn't already obvious, customers on Amazon spend a very short period of time looking for products that they want to purchase. So as a seller, you will maximize the amount of customers that are going to see your products by simply being visible on top of the first page for your main keywords. Second question, how does Amazon select which seller is going to be on top of that page? Purely based on sales. Yes. This is an equal opportunity platform. That's one of the reasons why I love Amazon. It doesn't matter who you are, how big of a brand you are. The ranking is 100% based on sales. A few other criteria, but let's say mainly based on sales. Now, this is a problem for somebody that's starting out on Amazon. Because if you're launching your product on Amazon, well, you have no sales, or at least you have no sales history for Amazon to rely on and to put you ranked on the top of the first page. So what are we going to do? Here comes our two-step process. Step number one, if you are about to list your product, but good news, if you even have your product already listed, you need to find the right keywords to add into your title and into the rest of your product page, but mostly, because we're talking about ranking, mostly in your title. Now, you might have heard this before, and you might say, Crystal, I have no idea. I know what keywords are, but I don't really know how to select the right keywords. What do you mean by right keywords for my product page? Well, let me show you. Before I show you, I'm going to be using a tool called Helium 10 that's going to help us assess not only which keywords that which are good for you, which keywords that you should be using, but we're also going to assess really valuable criteria that unfortunately you can't assess if you don't have Helium 10. By the way, Helium 10 have a free trial, so you can use it. However, the free trial is limited, so you will need to subscribe in order to use the full benefits of Helium 10. You'll find in the description box of this video a discount code that will get you 20% off your first 3 months membership of Helium 10. Thank you, Helium 10, for the discount. We're going to be utilizing a tool called Cerebro inside of Helium 10. The way that Cerebro works is I need to give Cerebro a particular product on Amazon utilizing an ASIN, and then it will extract all of the main keywords that product is ranking for. But that's not why I'm using Cerebro. Let me show you. So let's say, as an example, this is the product that I'm going to be selling similar to. This is not my product. Let's say you want to sell women's flat shoes. So this is the closest competitor, the closest good selling competitor for your products. All you need is the ASIN number. And as you can see, because I have Helium 10 in my Chrome drop-down extensions, I have all of this information that normally would not show up on a regular Amazon page. Here is the ASIN number, so I can easily copy it here. I will log in to Cerebro and I will add it here, which I've done already. And then you would need to click on Get Keywords. By the way, you can add up to 10 different ASINs, and I would highly recommend that you do so that you have many more keywords to look at. But please make sure that you just don't select random competitors. You select competitors that are very, very, very close to the product that you intend to sell, and those competitors need to be selling quite well. So you need to check their BSR to make sure that they have really good sales. With that being said, we're gonna get a huge amount of keywords. As you can see here, Helium 10 was able to give us 277 keywords. Certainly, I'm not gonna be utilizing all of those keywords. The main criteria that I want in the beginning is search volume. So once you get this list, click on search volume so that you can get the highest search volume keyword to the lowest. Then look at the keywords and start assessing them. Assessing them based on what? Here comes step number 1. Based on title density. So I need to have a balance between a keyword having really good search volume and a really low title density. What does that mean? A really high ranking keyword or a really utilized keyword has a very high search volume. Search volume basically means that people are actively using this keyword. You want to try to find keywords, main keywords for your product that have a search volume over 300 if you are selling on Amazon in the Middle East. Certainly you can have your own criteria, of course, but this is just a general number that I want to give you. Now, of course, the keyword needs to be also relevant to the product. So as you can see here, the keyword shoes for men has search volume of 9,515 searches per month, but it's not relevant because I'm selling women's shoes. So I'm gonna ignore it. The one after it, shoes, has 2,635 search volume, great. The one after that, shoes for women, has 2,609. Which one would you select? I'm sure you're gonna say, I'm gonna select shoes, Crystal. It has a higher search volume. In this case, we have to look at the title density. How many people are using that keyword inside of their title? Meaning, how many people am I competing against to rank on that particular keyword? As you can see here, shoes, 37. It's quite congested. A lot of people are utilizing this keyword, whereas shoes for women has only 2. Better yet, women's shoes, which has a lower search volume, has absolutely 0. Nobody using it in its title. So, taking into consideration search volume and title density, the best keyword that makes sense for the types of products that I'm selling, which is shoes for women, would be the keyword shoes for women. Because then I'm not competing against a lot of sellers for ranking on that keyword, and it also has high search volume. Now, does it mean by simply adding the keyword into your title, poof, you're gonna magically appear on the first page? No, because remember, main criteria are sales. However, you can make it easier on yourself if you have really good keywords in your title that other sellers don't. But here comes step number 2, and also a number that Helium 10 provides us, which is the CPR. This is a great number because it helps you understand the amounts of units that you need to sell over a period of 8 days so that your product can rank on the top of the first page. Right here, shoes for women, if I wanted to focus on this keyword and rank for this keyword and add it into my title and try to rank for it, then I would need to get 28 orders in a span of 8 days so that I can rank for the top of the first page. So that is the CPR. This helps you understand maybe to fine-tune your criteria and try to find the ideal keyword that has a high search volume, low title density, and low CPR, and focus on that keyword to try to get as much sales and be able to understand exactly the numbers required to rank. Now, I've given you the golden formula. All you need to do is to put it in action. Let me know your comments in the comment section below. Do not forget, if you're not subscribed, why aren't you subscribed already? Hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload. We upload multiple videos every single week in both English and Arabic, so YouTube might not be notifying you. Make sure that you subscribe, you hit the notification bell, you give a thumbs up to this video so that it motivates me to give you more secrets. And don't forget to leave me your comments and questions in the comment section below. As always, I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.